Hello friends, welcome to Google Tech, and today in this video we are going to see there is an important update from Power BI where we can able to create multiple cluster in our card which we are using every day. So I'm going to show you both the older card and the new card which we have and the differences as well. Let's start with the today's session, and before that, if you want to download the practice file, we have uploaded this practice file in our drive, and that link will be shared in our description box. You can go ahead and you can download and practice for your own. Let's start with the today's session. So first I'm going to select the older card, and this is the older card, and I'm going to insert the new card which is the new one. And the first comparison which what we are going to do is in the fields tab you can see only fields, but if in the new card there is an option called tooltips is also enabled. So I'm going to enable first. I'm going to enter the total type, right? I'm just giving the count for this one. So my count is 5283. The same I'm going to give it here. So I have got the same value 5.283k, right? So now we have got the values here. So any other changes we are observing? Yes, we can see it is at centered. There is no way around. There is a formatting enabled, like make it center or right align, left align. But in this new card we have a left aligned one which is already aligned. Let's see our what are the other differences in our editing panel. So in the customizations, if I see the old one, we can see only the two options in visual, which is callout value and categorical label. And in callout value we can be able to find like the font size and display units and decibel, and also the text wrap and the other things, right? And if I go to the new one, if I select the new card, you can able to see n number of options like shape, layout, colored values, reference labels, images and cards. So let's explore it one by one. What is shape? So I can able to select the shape of the table. Like here they have given three, which is rectangle, rounded rectangle, or else in that also we can customize the size of the corners. So I'm leaving it the default, which is 25. And layout, let's go. And before that, third option, snip tab and both top, which means like it is kind of a post mail, like a mail letter or the thing which we are received, right? That is what the third option which we are getting. So I'm going to select the rounded rectangle for now, and let's go for the layout. So in layout, arrangement is also given. So as we observed in the first one, we can see there is a top alignment, middle alignment and the vertical alignment, sorry, bottom alignment. So this everything happens on the vertical basis. So maybe in future they may give us horizontal alignment as well, but as of now they have given the vertical alignment. Let's go for the arrangement. So arrangement says single column. There is no much difference. Let's go for single row. No difference. And what about our grid? So grid is creating the other box. Okay. So in that case, if we enter multiple card value, will it work? Let's try that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to add another any of the value. Let's say I add the IMDb score. Yes, it is adding. So what about the other one, the older one? Is it possible to add? No, it is replacing the value. It is not adding the other text. But in the new card, we can add multiple pointers, which is my multiple measures or the values which we want to showcase. So that is an added advantage in the new feature, right? So we have successfully done with the shape and layout. Callout values must be the same. Yes, it is the same, that we have only arrangement, decimals, and yes, here we do have conditional formatting as well. But if I go to our older one, not much ability, just like normally text formatting is enabled. But in the new one, the extra additional features which we got is decimal places and the f of x, which is my conditional formatting, is also enabled in our visual changes in our new card. And again, the horizontal alignment is mentioned over here instead of our shape format, right? Yeah. And reference labels, this is a quite new one. Okay, we can select the any series. Let's select some type, and if I add the label, so if I add index, let's see what is happening over here. Wow, you can see it says it's a index. The count of index is this number. So instead of that particular value, even if we need, we can add the you know slicers text value as well. This is pretty cool update from Microsoft Power BI. And images and cards also we can able to add. Perfect. Okay. And I didn't see any much differences in our older the older card and the new card. But the major update what we got here is we can add multiple data files into the card, and alignment is also possible along with the shape formatting. This is very interesting and cool update from Microsoft Power BI. Let's hope we can get more from Power BI along with the any updates. Hope you have understood this video clearly. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. We'll meet you in the next exciting video. Until then, bye from us. Thank you. Have a great day.